Hi guys, in this video I want to talk to you about the 9-step success path to generate quality leads and convert those leads to site visits and sales for a real estate. You can apply the same concepts to any other business such as clinic visits or school admissions or restaurants or any other business that require appointments or subscriptions, similar kind of things. So these are the 9 key elements of the real estate funnel. So the first one here is the traffic source, and the next one is ad copy, your ad image and the ad copy, and what are the target audience you are showing this ad, to whom you are showing this ad to get those quality leads. And next one is like if you are doing you are sending traffic to a landing page, or if you are doing Facebook ads, you have this lead form ads option. So you have to ask the proper questions. So when you ask the right questions, you will get quality leads. Like you should not try to get the easy leads. Ask as many questions as you can and make it difficult for the prospect to give their details, so that like those people are the genuine and serious people. So when you have everything on the landing page is nothing but a sales page where you showcase all the details about your product or service, and most importantly like what is in it for the for your customers and what pain point or problem you are solving. So and also like what is the call to action. So you want the details, lead details like name, phone number and other details. So here in this, the next one, fifth one is the key point. So the quick turnaround time. So when you have the proper system in place and when you use these automation tools, you can talk to these guys, like who the guys who have given their email ID and phone number. So when you call to these guys immediately within seconds, not in minutes or hours or days, you have to call them within minutes, or no, if not within seconds, so that you will be able to convert more no leads to sales. And then next is the follow up, how how you will be following up these prospects using emails and SMS and other things. And the next one is the Facebook ads retarget. Like if you are doing Facebook ads, the Facebook retargeting and optimization is the one more key things that you have to look in. And the last one is you have to test, you have to test everything, like from ad copy, images, the impress, the landing page details, call to action, and you can you can test everything. Like with few changes you can get more conversions. So here are the different traffic sources. Facebook ads, search engine optimization, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, or YouTube. Or for real estate, you have online portals as well, like 99 acres or Magic Breaks. These all the other traffic sources. I have a other very detailed traffic source video in the YouTube channel. You can go over there where I have discussed in detail about the 15 plus traffic sources, the organic traffic sources and the paid traffic sources. But for real estate, like Facebook ads and Google ads and these online portals, like will give you very good quality leads. And then to whom you are showing these ads. In Facebook you have different options, like the age, gender and interest, behavior. There are so many other options that you can show to your ideal customer, so that you no need to waste your money spending on these Facebook ads or any ad platform. So for example, like, if you are targeting to a senior citizen, then you can always, give the age and then the interest and the behavior and other things. And the next one is the ad image and the ad copy. The first thing that your prospect or your customer sees about your company is, or your product or service is, your ad image. Ad image is the first thing that your customer sees, and then your ad copy, and then these call to action, like, retirement gated community apartments. So you can see over here a happy, retired, age group couple, no and then this kind of ad copy. In this ad copy, they are targeting the IT professional or working couple. Then these ad images and ad copy over here, this is, one of my ad where I have given this, real estate, ebook for free. So I said clearly that, this is a free ebook, and, this is a lead generation, a step by step guide beginners for, real estate. So I have already given the, price point, and I have given a strike off, and then I clearly mentioned again free over here. So that's how, it catches the eyeballs of your prospect, and then they will read the ad copy and call to action. Then they will give, they will opt in for this ebook, or any other offer you give. So always your ad image, ad copy, and then the offer that you are giving, these are the key things, to get the quality leads. Then, to get quality leads, like leads here is, to get the prospect name, email ID, and their phone number. So now if you are doing a, if you are sending your traffic to a landing page is nothing but a, a sales page where you describe about your, product or services. It's more about your product, but it's, more about the pain points and the problems that you are solving for your prospect or customer. What is in it for the customer? So when you give these details, or if you are running any Facebook lead ads, lead ad form, then you have to ask, questions. You no need to get, as I said, you no need to get easy leads, like with the, with Facebook lead form and LinkedIn lead form, with just one tap or one click, these, all the details, like name, email ID, and phone number, they will be automatically filled up, and those things will be sent across to us as a marketer. So you don't want, this kind of easy leads. You have to make it, hard. You have to ask, so many questions. In case of this real estate, you have to ask, like, when they're there, when they are going to come to a site visit, or, what is their budget, and, their job title. Like, there are, other combination of questions that you need to ask. And if you are, sending traffic to a landing page, you have to give all the details, and then you have to, get those, lead details, like name, email ID, and phone number. So when you get these details, the hard way, then these guys are more serious. And this is the key over here, like the turnaround time. So when these people give, these details to you, then how quickly you are going to call them, like your telecalling team or your sales people. So it is possible through digital automation, like using some systems and tools, automation tools. You can call your prospects immediately within seconds, not, in minutes or hours. Like you can call them immediately within seconds, when they are still, on their mobile or laptop or desktop. So when you call these guys immediately within seconds, what you can, able to know is the seriousness of your prospect, whether they are serious or not. Like in case of real estate, like, do they want to buy the, flat, immediately, or maybe after 1 month or 2 months, or maybe after 3-4 months, or they have given the list to just know the what is the price and other details like, or when you call them, you get this kind of, you can filter out, you can know the seriousness of your prospect, whether these guys are very serious, whether they are going to come to your site visit immediately, or maybe they will come, they are going to ask some questions, or whether they fall into your budget, or whether they are going to to know the details, like just for asking like what is the price and square feet price. So those kind of details, like you can once your salespeople and telecalling people call them immediately, you know the seriousness of your prospect. That's how your sales process, your sales cycle, or your you no need to call them, or you no need to follow them 5 to 7 times. So when you call these guys immediately, when that these guys are serious, then you can follow the only serious guys and left off the other non-serious guys. So that's the key thing over here. And these automation tools like email marketing tool and other tools, SMS automation tools and CRM automation tools, so capturing those leads and sending across all those leads to your CRM tool, or sending across those lead details to your sales people or telecalling people, so that they can call up immediately. So you need some automation tools like email autoresponder tool, CRM tool, and some other automation tools like Zapier and all. You have to have all these automation tools in place, so that you can follow up with these guys immediately and send across these a predefined set of emails or SMS to your prospect on automation. This is the follow up things, like this is what I mean, the traffic source here. In case like if you're doing any Facebook ads, those people will, your customer sees the ad, and then they click on this ad. So when they click on this ad, and when they give the details like name, email ID and phone number, you have to send across the SMS, automatic SMS, and automatic email, and automate WhatsApp message to your prospect. You have to welcome them, you have to send across these introduction emails, your project brochures, flyers, and all those details. Like if you want, you can send across the most frequently asked questions, and all those can be automated, and you can send across these details on different platform that your prospect uses. You can send across an email, you can send across SMS or WhatsApp, and also you can your telecalling people team can call them immediately within seconds, and tell them that you have shown interest in our project, when can we schedule a site visit? If you have any questions, we are happy to help you. So when you call these guys immediately within seconds with their name, okay, hey Vishnu, you have shown interest in our ABC project, when can I schedule your site visit? If you have any questions, I'm here to help you. I'm also going to send you all the project details and the FAQs and other details to your email, registered email, and your uh, mobile number. So when you call these guys immediately, do you know your telecalling people will know that your prospect is serious or not. So that's how you reduce the effort of following up and all those sales process, and you can filter out the junk leads and non-serious leads, and you can only work with the warm audience, the serious people. So that's how more site visit happens, and that's how you are going to get sales for your business or for your client business. And next one is the Facebook retargeting. So there are options in Facebook that you can retarget to the people who have seen your Facebook ad, or who have seen your video about your project. So you can target to these people, or you can target to people who have visited your website, who have visited your Facebook page, who have visited your Instagram profile, or no any other web properties or social media channels. So there are plenty of retargeting options and other options that you can leverage to be in a top of your prospect mind, so that when they are ready to buy your company brand or your business, has to come to their mind first. So they have to come to you, before going to your competitor or someone. And then you have to tweak and optimize all these ads. So the last one is the testing phase. As I said, like you can test like everything, like you have to test like at every phase: the ad image, the ad copy, call to action, those colors, those images. And you have to come up with different ad campaigns, different interests, different behaviors, then so many other things that you can do. Like if you look like each like minute thing, like if you can change some colors, like from red color to blue color or green color, that makes a difference, like that will help you to convert more. So these this testing phase has to be on ongoing thing, and you have to monitor, tweak and test your Facebook ads and get your you know uh, quality leads and convert those leads to sales. Like I talk about these things in my paid program, so paid course. So that's all it from me for this video. And if you haven't grabbed the free copy of this a step by step guide for beginners to learn how to generate quality leads for real estate, you can just grab the copy. You can just check out my YouTube channel or go to my website and just claim your free copy. That's all from this video. I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye bye.